Hey, what is going on? Back again with some Python tutorials. So today we're going to be working with dictionaries, and a dictionary is a collection which is unordered and you can change it, also called mutable, and it is indexed. So let's go ahead and get started. So in Python, the way that you create a dictionary is you provide a name for it, and it needs to be set equal to curly braces. So dictionaries work off of key value pairs. So this is the key on the left and the value is on the right. So you need to make sure you set this up correctly. It needs to have the key on the left, value on the right, and it also needs to have a colon in between the middle. And whenever you're done with a key value pair, you need to make sure you add a comma at the, if you're going to add another one, make sure there is a comma in between those. And once you get down to the last key value pair, you do not need a comma. So let's go ahead and see if we can access or get the value from the key value, or from the dictionary, excuse me. So the way that you can get the value out of a dictionary is by first providing the name of the dictionary, and then using square brackets, and then you want to give it the key that you want the value for. So in my case, I want to be able to get this value charger out of the dictionary. So let's run this, and as you can see there, it returns back the value charger. There are a few different ways that you can go about doing this, but this is more of the simpler route to take in order to get the value back. So if I want to change values out of the dictionary, all I have to do is to provide the dictionary name and then specify where I want to make a change in the dictionary. So I want to change the year. I don't want a 2020 charger anymore. I want a 2021 charger. So I just need, all I got to do is provide the key of where I want to make a change, and then enter in the new value that I want for in that particular spot. So let's print this out. We've got year. Make sure you put it in quotes. It has to match just the same way that you have it in your dictionary. And run it. And as you can see there, I just simply changed out the value in this spot. So if you want to be able to loop through a dictionary, all you got to do is use a for loop. So for x in vehicle, and this will loop through all of the dictionary and return the values, each value that is inside of there. So use a for loop, x in vehicle, make sure you set up a colon there, and then print out all of the values inside of the vehicle dictionary. And as you can see there, or it prints out all of the keys in the dictionary, excuse me. And then if I want to get all of the actual values out, all I have to do is type in vehicle, and it will return all of the values in there. Now the first way that I just showed, that only returns the actual keys that are in the dictionary. Now this route will return all of the values inside of the dictionary. So as you can see here, all of the different values that were inside of the dictionary. Now if I want to be able to check to see if a certain key is inside of the dictionary, all I have to do is use an if statement, and then I want to give it the key that I am looking for. So I want to check to see if there is a year key in my vehicle dictionary. And then I can just print out and say, yes, this key exists. Let's clear the screen and run it. And as you can see, I do have a year key inside of my vehicle dictionary. So that's why I printed out, yes, this key exists. So also too, you can go in and you can get the length of a dictionary by using the len, and then all you got to do is provide the name of the dictionary that you want to get the length of. So let's run this, and as you can see, I have 3 keys inside of here, so that is what it I have 3 key value pairs inside of my dictionary, so that is the length that it is returning. And also too, if you want to add in more items into your dictionary, all you got to do is provide the dictionary name, use the square brackets, give a new value inside of there. I believe they call them trims or something like that for cars, and then add in the value to match the key that you just provided. So I don't know, I think they're calling them SRTs or something like that for chargers. So this will add the new value inside of my dictionary, the new key value pair in the dictionary. And then we can print out the dictionary just to make sure it went through. And as you can see there it did. It added it right on in there. And it added it to the front. So that is pretty much a quick tutorial on the dictionaries inside of Python. So be sure to stay tuned. I have more tutorials coming out, and I will catch you guys in the next one.